Good morning, dear trainees.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Basilio Philippus. I'm your lecturer for this afternoon. How are you doing?
We are fine, sir.
Right. Anyone absent?
No, Miss Veronica.
Okay. Right. Well, students, let's say for instance, you want to elect like a line where you want to dry your clothes. Now you have two pieces of wire, and they cannot reach from one point to another to the end. So now, how do you maybe join it? How do you think you want? If you want to join it, how do you join it?
I twist it together.
You twist it together.
Yeah. I need the pipe here.
You move the pipe near.
Yes.
Right.
Avoid doing it.
Yeah, but we are referring to how do I join it? Fine, we can twist together. Right. Our topic for today, we are going to learn, or we're going to, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to flare and sway your copper tubes or copper tubes. That's our lesson for today. You should be able to demonstrate how to flare and how to sway the copper tubes. Right? Let's say student, what size of copper tube that you know?
Sizes.
Yes. Yes, Esther?
1 over 4.
1 over 4, yeah. Claudia?
1 over 2.
Over 2, yes.
3 over 60.
3 over 60. Right. Yes, we have many different type of sizes of copper size. As you mentioned them, they are all correct. And let's say, for instance, you are get a customer that they want you to install an aircon for his room or sitting rooms. Then you're experiencing shortage of your pipes. One of your pipes is short and cannot reach the other aircons. So now, how will you join your pipes? Yes, Esther? By flaring them, yes.
Maybe by swaying them.
By swaying. An idea, Claudia?
Meaning, for me, it's like I'll flare them and squeeze them.
You flare and switch them. Right? Yes. You are correct. Right. As we said, we are going to learn today about flaring and swaying. So, can you come get closer to the table here, the front table? So we're going to go through in detail on our topic. Here we have it's a toolkit for flaring and swaying. We have a block which have numbers here, different type of sizes for your copper tubes. We have also tools here that you can use for your swaying. And as we can see here, we have also another block here that's also having a big sizes. These are small sizes of the copper tubes. And then now, when we want to do, we start with the flaring. When you want to do flaring, we have only one tools, and this is the tools. Flaring, what we mean flaring, we are trying to open our pipe to be able to fit on our nuts. And that now we have to use these tools. That's all the tools you apply with. Let's say, for instance, we want to put let's say we are having our quarter pipes here, and now we want to put a nut. Then you take your block, you select where the sizes of your copper pipe, which is a quarter, 1/4, and that is your 1/4. Then you can now put it on, and then you can flare it and put on your nuts. Let's look on the swazing one. The swazing, as we say, we have different type of tools here, but for today we are going to look at 3/8, what we call a 3/8 inch. This is the size we are having today. And now you select your swazing tool here. You remove this one, the one for flailing. You just with your hands. You don't need to use any tools. Then you look on these are different sizes, so you make sure you know the right size that you can use for your swazing. Then you put it on your block here. Same apply. You take your block here. You check which size you are going to apply it. It's 3/8 is also marked there. You can see it, as you can see it here. Then you can also flail. Swaze your pipe. Swazing means that we are expanding a pipe to able to fit another pipe into it. Then we blaze it or we weld it. So it means that the pipe must be the same size. One, you have to expand it so that you can fit the other ones in, so that we are able to join it.
Okay, sir.
And for the we just go back a little bit for the flailing. Flailing, we should be able to put up a nut. Let's demonstrate with this one for the 380. Must put up your nut. After you flail it, you put up your nut. Then you should be able to connect to your valve, to your AC valve or your fridge's valve. Then you can also now from here you can extend it by swazing it. Then you extend to another unit. Right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Any questions so far?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Okay. I will need one of you to demonstrate. Which one will get a chance? So can Shoya start with swazing? Can you swaze one of the pipe here? The 3/8.
It's not moving down.
It is.
Is the pipe moving down? Then it's not.
It's not there.
It's not moving.
It's not moving. It's coming. Okay.
Yeah. Until it touches that shelf.
Let's see.
Wow.
safe.
Right. Very good. 100%. Right, Claudia, can you let's fit our nuts. Let's see if it's fitting there. Right, it's fitting properly.
Very well.
You want to put on the valve. Right. You make sure this one is sitting there. Okay. So you can avoid the leakage. So it must be sitting there and closed tightly, and you don't have any gas that leaks out. Okay, Claudia, can you squeeze here? Let's use this a small pipe and squeeze it so we're able to fit. So we can able to fit.
Inside what is that one?
1/4.
1/4. Okay,
It's fine. Put this more.
This one. It's not too short. Yeah. Something like that. It works like a clam.
Start coming with pops, I will give you this. I'll be stronger.
Naturally, we are not strong.
I will assist you.
Okay, let's see.
Well,
yeah.
It was a bit too short.
Good try.
Yes.
Yes. You're really showing that you are doing. Okay, let me now give you an explain to you a bit. Just give you some techniques how you should do it.
Okay, sir.
All right. We'll start with flailing. As we said, flailing is to prepare your pipes so that you can able to fit on your nuts. Okay, let's start. Let's use this one here. Right. Take the right. What size of this one? You say it's 3/8.
3/8.
Then you take your 3/8. You put up here. We don't really use any type of measurement. Always we do, I make sure I put up my pipe and
An inch over.
make sure that when I'm going to flaze, should be able to sit within here, this area here.
The chamfer.
Yes.
Okay.
If you make it a bit longer, then it's gonna be over. Yeah, then when it's over, it won't fit in the nut, so it will touch the threaded. So then it doesn't need to touch the threaded, otherwise it's gonna leak. It's not gonna sit on the valve. By the end, when you are done, you should be able to sit here properly on the valve. So I'm gonna now just demonstrate to you. Then this is just your area that you can tight proper. You can also use this one to lock it up. Make sure it does not move. Then we have the tools that we are using for flare only. Flare all type of sizes. Yes, this one. Then we put up on there. Okay,
So I can use this flare for this.
Yeah, it's only this one is only for flare.
For all type of sizes.
All type of sizes. That's on the block here.
Okay.
On those blocks that we are having here. Yes, then we just set up there. Took it, put up, and make sure. Okay, let's move this one up. Make sure the thing is the block is sitting properly, firmly sit on. Then you make sure this one goes into the center of your pipe. And now you should be able to apply some force.
Do the magic.
Yes. Yes. If you are looking here, can we see now
Yeah, it's
how
laying
it's lying there? Yes, and that way. Okay. Yes, then you remove it. Right. Okay. Then we can have a look at here, see how it's sitting on. Yes. Squeezing. Okay, you can see that. It's gonna demonstrate for you. Okay, you remove the flowing one. Now you put up. Now this one is a different. The way it's made like this, it also tells you that it can accommodate different type of sizes. Yeah. So now our 3/8 is the last area here. So now you put it on here. And then this one goes there. And you tighten up. Now, if you look at here, and you see how the pipe is coming out, it's equally to this, to the space here. So now for you to enable to fit in your pipe that you want to extend. Yes. Okay, any questions, students?
No, it's really interesting.
All right. Our next topic for tomorrow, or lesson for tomorrow, we are going to look at how do we bend our pipes. So yes, let's say for instance, you are installing your aircon. Then while you are installing your aircon, you see there is a wall here. You cannot penetrate into the wall. Then you have to divert from the wall. So you have to bend either 90 degree or 45
Or 18.
or 180. Depends how you want to tend to the difference. So let's look on our books, our textbook, chapter 6, page 1 to 26. There's an activity there. You can also go to Google or YouTube just to get some information how to use your tools and how to bend your copper tubes. Right, any other question?
No, sir.
With the absence of further questions, so we end our class today. Thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.
All right.